Hey loves, in today's video I will be creating this Pinterest inspired rhinestone flower nail art. This is the inspiration for the nail design I will be creating. When I saw this picture, I thought the concept was so pretty and perfect for spring. I am using the Modesa gel in shade Nude 3 as the base for this nail design. I applied 3 coats of this gel, curing each coat for 30 seconds. To adhere my rhinestones to my nails, I am using the Aimeili Builder Base. I am creating my flowers with this 12-color rhinestone kit that I purchased from my local beauty supply store for $1. When I am done creating my flowers, I will cure for 60 seconds. To seal in my design as well as add a layer of shine, I am applying the Aimeili No Wipe top coat and curing for an additional 30 seconds. Here are my nails. They are so pretty. I love them so much. This was such a simple design, but it is perfect for spring with all of the different colored flowers on that nude pink background. Let me know what you think of this set down below in a comment. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create these nails. And until next time, bye loves!